Anthropic's newest AI automation tool and see if I can figure out how to make it work in under an hour. Anthropic is a company that's been making waves in the AI scene with a mission to develop and deploy reliable, useful, and safe AI systems. They're part of a growing trend of businesses looking to harness the power of AI to streamline their operations and stay ahead of the curve. Their newest AI automation tool is a game changer, designed to make it easier for businesses to integrate AI into their workflows. Businesses face a ton of challenges when implementing AI automation. For one, it can be super complex, requiring a team of experts to set up and manage. And then there's the cost. Developing and maintaining AI systems can be prohibitively expensive, especially for smaller businesses. Another challenge is scalability. As businesses grow, their AI systems need to be able to keep up. And let's not forget about the data. AI systems need high quality data to function effectively, which can be a challenge in itself. All these challenges make it tough for businesses to get started with AI automation. Anthropic's new tool is designed to tackle these challenges head on. It's built to be user friendly, so businesses don't need a team of experts to get started. The tool also uses advanced algorithms to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up human resources for more strategic work. Plus, it's highly scalable, so businesses can easily adapt it to their growing needs. And with its advanced data management features, businesses can ensure their AI systems are always running smoothly. So, what really sets Anthropic's tool apart from the competition? For one, its ability to learn and adapt quickly. The tool uses machine learning to continuously improve its performance, so businesses can get the most out of their AI investment. For example, a company like IBM could use this tool to automate its customer service chatbots, making it easier for customers to get help quickly and efficiently. With Anthropic's tool, businesses can create customized AI solutions that meet their specific needs. In a nutshell, Anthropic's newest AI automation tool has the potential to revolutionize the way businesses approach AI. By making it easier, faster, and more cost-effective to integrate AI into their workflows, Anthropic is helping businesses stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're a seasoned AI pro or just getting started, this tool is definitely worth checking out. So, what do you think about Anthropic's new tool? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about AI and automation, be sure to check out my other videos for the latest insights and updates.